Another source is simply a transformer outside the building. There's a ground going into the ground, and there's a certain amount of ground current that flows in that wire for the utilities. And so there is a gradient as you go from a pole outward. And as that gradient crosses a building, it's also seen in the ground system. There's also things, you can get ground currents from radio stations nearby. But if the ground is actually inside a conduit or metal raceway of some sort, the effect of radio stations is fairly minimal. Obviously, you wouldn't have an isolated ground in Romex because that would allow radio signals to impinge on the ground wire and thus induce currents and voltage gradients in the isolated ground, which is exactly what we don't want.